Hey guys, welcome back again to another exciting video. Here in today's video, we will tell you the life story of Pandit Jasraj. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel and like the content what we post, then you should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will never miss these kind of exciting videos when we upload them. Let's get started. Pandit Jasraj was an Indian classical vocalist belonging to the Mewati Gharana musical apprenticeship lineage. His musical career spanned 75 years, resulting in national and international fame, respect, and numerous major awards and accolades. His legacy includes memorable performances of classical and non classical vocal music, classical and devotional music, albums, and film soundtracks, innovation in various genres including Haveli Sangeet and popularizing the Mewati Gharana, a school of thought in Hindustani classical music. Pandit Jasraj taught music to amateur and professional students in India, Europe, Canada, and the United States. Let's talk about his early life. Pandit Ji was born on 20th January 1930 in Pilimandori, a village in the Hisar district of Haryana, in a middle-class Brahmin family to Pandit Motiram, a classical singer, and Krishnabai. He was the youngest of three sons in a family of classical singers. Motiram died in 1934 when Pandit Ji was only 4. On the day he was to be appointed as the state musician in the court of Mir Osman Ali Khan. His eldest brother was vocalist Pandit Maniram, who instructed Jasraj Ji after the passing of their father. Pandit Ji's elder brother, Pandit Pratap Narayan, was also an accomplished musician and was the father of music composer duo Jatin Lalit, singer-actress Sulakshana Pandit, and actress Vijeta Pandit. Pandit Pratap Narayan taught Pandit Ji to play tabla starting at the age 7, but Pandit Ji decided that he wanted to only sing by 14. Pandit Ji spent his youth in Hyderabad and travelled often to Sanand in Gujarat to study music with musicians of the Mewati Gharana. Jasraj Ji performed for Maharaj Jayawant Singh Waghela, the Thakur Sahib of Sanand, who was deeply dedicated to classical music and received training from him. In 1946, Pandit Ji moved to Calcutta where he began singing classical music for radio. Well, that was his early life. Now let's see his personal life. In 1962, Pandit Ji married Madhura Shantaram, the daughter of film director V. Shantaram, whom he had first met in 1960 in Bombay. They initially lived in Calcutta, moving to Bombay in 1963. They had two children, a son, Sharang Dev Pandit, a daughter, Durga Jasraj, and three grandchildren. Madhura made a film, Sangeet Martand Pandit Jasraj, in 2009 and directed her first Marathi film, I Tuza Ashirwad, in 2010, in which her husband and Lata Mangeshkar sang in Marathi. Now let's see how Pandit Ji was trained. Pandit Ji was initiated into vocal music by his father and later trained as a tabla accompanist under his elder brother Pandit Pratap Narayan. He would frequently accompany Maniram in his solo vocal performances. He credits the vocalist Begum Akhtar as inspiring him to take up classical music. Pandit Ji began training as a vocalist at the age of 14 after renouncing tabla in reaction with how accompanists were treated at the time. He would practice singing close to 14 hours a day. In 1952, when he was 22, he performed his first stage concert as a vocalist in the court of King Tribhuvan Bir Bikram Shah of Nepal in Kathmandu. Before becoming a stage performer, Jasraj Ji worked as a performing artist on radio for several years. He initially trained as a classical vocalist with Pandit Maniram and later with Jayawant Singh Waghela, a vocalist and beankar, and Ghulam Qadir Khan of Mewati Gharana. In addition, he trained under Swami Vallabhadas Damulji of the Agra Gharana. In classical music, although Pandit Ji belonged to the Mewati Gharana, a school of music known for its traditional performances of khayals, Pandit Ji had sung khayals with some flexibility, adding elements of lighter styles including the thumri. During the initial stages of his career, he was criticized for incorporating elements from other schools of music or gharanas into his singing. Musicologist S. Kalidas has noted, however, that this borrowing of elements across gharanas has now become more commonly accepted. Pandit Ji created a novel form of Jugalbandi called Jasrangi that is styled on the ancient system of Murchanna between a male and a female vocalist who each sing different ragas at the same time. He was also known for presenting a variety of rare ragas including Abiri Todi and Paddipaki. In addition to performing classical music, Pandit Ji had worked to popularize semi-classical musical style such as Haveli Sangeet, which involves semi-classical performances in temples. He had also sung classical and semi-classical composition for film soundtracks such as the song Vandana Karo, composed in the raga Ahir Bhairav by the composer Vasant Desai for the film Ladki Shadri Ki in 1966, a duet with vocalist Bhimsen Joshi for the soundtrack of the film Birbal My Brother in 1975, and a ballad Vada Tumse Hai Vada for a horror film titled 1920 in 2008 directed by Vikram Bhatt. In memory of his father, Pandit Ji organized an annual musical festival called the Pandit Motiram Pandit Maniram Sangeet Samaroh in Hyderabad. The festival has been held annually since 1972. On 28 January 2017, the production house Navrasa Duende celebrated Pandit Ji's 87th birthday and 80 years of his service to music with a classical music concert titled My Journey, an intimate evening with Pandit Jashraj at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, New Delhi. He received a standing ovation. Pandit Ji tutored several students who have gone on to perform as classical musicians, including Saptarishi Chakravarti, Sanjeev Abhyankar, violinist Kala Ramnath, Sandeep Ranade, Shehnai player Lokesh Anand, Tripti Mukherjee, Suman Ghosh, flautist Shashank Subramaniam, Anuradha Podwal, Sadhana Sargam, and Ramesh Narayan. He was also the founder of schools for Indian classical music in Atlanta, Tampa, Vancouver, Toronto, New York, New Jersey, Pittsburgh, Mumbai, and Kerala. Pandit Ji would spend 6 months of each year in the United States and Canada at either his home in New Jersey teaching or touring. At the age 90, he was teaching some of his international students through Skype. Pandit Ji has won many awards and honors. Here is the list of them. Padma Shri in 1975, Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 1987, Padma Bhushan in 1990, Padma Vibhushan in 2000, Swati Sangeeta Puraskaram in 2008, Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship in 2010, Pula Deshpande Lifetime Achievement Award in 2012, Bharat Ratna Bhimsen Joshi Classical Music Life Achievement Award in 2013, Sumitra Charat Ram Award for Lifetime Achievement 2014, Marwar Sangeet Ratna Award 2014, Gangubai Hangal Lifetime Achievement Award 2016, Asteroid 300-128 Pandit Jasraj discovered by astronomers with the Mount Lemmon survey in 2006 was named in his honor. The official naming citation was published by the Minor Planets Center on 27 August 2019, MPC 115895. Sangeet Kala Ratna, Master Dinant Mangeshkar Award, Maharashtra Gaurav Puraskar. These were the awards received by Pandit Ji. Pandit Ji remained in the US when the country entered its COVID 19 pandemic lockdown in 2020. He died at his home in New Jersey on 17th August 2020 at 5:15 am EST due to cardiac arrest. His body was later repatriated on an Air India flight to Mumbai, where it was cremated with state honors on 21 gun salute at Pawan Hans Crematorium in Ville Parle. The Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, said that his death leaves a deep void in the Indian cultural sphere. Not only were his renditions outstanding, he also made a mark as an exceptional mentor to several other vocalists. Well, that was the complete life story of Pandit Yash Raj. We hope you have understood today's concept here. If you have any doubts, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends so that even they get to know the life story of Pandit Yash Raj. You should go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss these kind of exciting videos when we upload them. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, you can watch the rest of the videos which are going to appear right now here on the screen. Enjoy it.